So guys, welcome to my today's walk, which is going to start here by the riverside. I'm going to walk here. It is a bit lonely, but I'm going to have courage. As you can see, we have very nice and quiet. Look at this. These are called moras. There are so many here. Sorry, there are so many. Yeah, if I can put the camera well. There's so many and nice. Wow, people don't eat moras here. So in this lonely place, that is where we are going to have a walk. It's a very nice. It is a path. It is a walkway. So come walk with me in this lonely place. Accompany me. Here we have the river. On the other side we have the city. So walk with me. We have the ambulance sound. This is a river. You can see it is also weedy. It's a bit weedy and cool. Look at these molars. They are very nice. So you can see the river there. The water is dirty. Just the sound of the river, of the water. Look at this. Oh, look at that. That fall. It's really nice. I don't know whether I can be able to film it and you can see it. It's really nice. Actually, this place is really lonely. I fear to go alone, but I'm going to walk with a lot of courage. With a lot of courage, I'm going to walk. Actually, I've never walked alone on this walkway. Look at here, the water. The river is divided. Look at it. It is a lonely place. Very lonely. I've never walked alone in this place. This bushy place. Look at the river. The river is divided here. Very lonely, very lonely. Oh, here somebody lives. Here I cannot be able to drink. Wow, I've just seen a bridge up there. and it gives me joy because I was fearing to come alone on this side. How many minutes? 13 minutes. I was fearing to come on this side alone. It is by the river, a walkway by the river side. This is a bridge. Look at this. This is a bridge. A very big. See how it is being supported. Look at it. A very big bridge to cross on the other side. Look at it. Guys, I cannot go beyond here. I just crossed the bridge. By the way, this bridge swings. When one is crossing it, it swings. Look at how it is. Look at that bridge. It is a semicircular bridge. A semicircular bridge. As one walks on it, it swings. Oh, look at this. So I want to go beyond here. Next time I will walk with you much further because I am alone and I cannot be, but I don't know, there are not many people, so I won't go beyond here. Next time I'll get somebody to take me to the other side, but here you can see it is a very big, football pitch, sports pitch, where people come to do their different games. So look at that. Look at that bridge. Very nice. Let's walk on it. And you can see the river here. This is a river. You can see it. It is a very big river. And these trees, you can hear the sounds of the trees. The trees are growing. It's really nice. Oh, this one, it is just by the riverside and it is dry. Why these trees are so dry? The reason, I don't know. So let's walk along this bridge. Let's walk along this bridge. This purple bridge. Look at this tree. Oh, there's some people coming. These people, I saw them on the... Oh, because there are some people here, so that we can see what this tree has. I'm just waiting for the people to pass because I don't want to take them. You see, it is swinging as the people try to cross the bridge. The people are crossing the bridge, and so it swings, and it makes me fear. So there are other people coming, and there are children. So I'm going to turn to this river. Look at that. Look at that tree trunk. And the waters. It is really cool here. It's really cool and enjoyable. People, oh, it is swinging. It is swinging as people move
Una preguntita, ¿para qué sirve esto? Esto sirve para esto. ¿Soleris?
Oh, hola! So I was talking to one of my kids, to one of my students who has just recognized me. I thought I was not recognizable. I thought nobody is going to recognize me. And maybe I can walk. No, next time I'll go make that walk, a long walk. But today let me make. This bridge is so nice. This bridge is so nice. It's really nice to walk along this bridge. My goodness, look at this. It is really nice. Wow, guys, see the river. See how the river is. Very quiet, very cool. The water is running very calmly. Look at this. Oh, this trunk has fallen here. Oh my goodness, is somebody coming? Ah, he's not coming here. So this is a river on the down part of it. This is a river, and we continue with the journey so that I can show you. Oh, what are these? These are not fruits. This is the middle of the bridge. This is a river on the top part of it. How wide? Look at that part. Look at the trees. I am fearing. I feel the movement of the bridge because of the wind. Oh my! And you can see it is being supported strongly. But only people who can pass here on foot and also on bikes. Look at this water. Oh, there are some people coming here. I fear them. I don't fear them because they are two. They are couple. And I can hear the swinging of the bridge as they cross it. So let me just move away from here because this bridge makes me fear. It makes me fear a lot. Here it is crossed. People cannot go here. I don't know why it is crossed. So that is a bridge. That's a bridge. That's a bridge. And now I'm going to walk by this side. Let me. It is a nice one, up to where we had seen the purple bridge. Look at this, so nice. This is another golf camp. This is another golf camp. People are enjoying here. So this, look at this, look at this, look at these moras. Very nice. You can't go hungry, guys. Here, look at them. You can't go hungry. There are plenty of fruits, plenty of wild fruits, plenty of wild fruits. So guys, as I have told you, these paths are divided. The red one is for the bicycles, and the green one is for the people. So everything is well catered for here, and it is very cool and quiet. Very cool and quiet. Look at the river there. Look at it. Look at the river. Okay. Wow, here. There's somebody coming behind me, so I have to walk fast because I'm lonely here. I'm alone. Look at other fruits here. I don't know whether these are edible. This can be eaten. No, these are lost seeds. These are very nice path for morning walk, afternoon walk, to burn the calories. Look at the river there. Look at it. So these are nice path, walkways where people use them to burn the calories. It's really nice. And don't forget, guys, that we are walking along the river bank, Rio Carrion bank. You see, people here, even the dusty bins, they are put here. You can't dirty the place. You can't dirty the place. These are field. Sports center. No, sports field. It's a sports field. You can hear the sound of the water. The sound of the water. Here seems to be, people are enjoying here. Guys, I'm going to go down. How do I go down? Because I need to see this water. I need to enjoy. Guys, I'm going to go down. I'm going to go down and see the water here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Guys, I'm going to go down. I'm going to go down and see how this water is. Look at it. I am going to go down and see this water. I want to see the spreading of this water. Look at that, guys. Look at that. How nice. And people are fishing here. How do I go down? Let me see if I can be able to find where to go down. Look at this. Hey, guys. Look, these are the moras. My goodness, look at them. Oh, look at there. Oh my goodness. I think here is where two rivers have joined, if I'm not wrong. Let me see what the time and see if I can be able to go down there. People are fishing. Maybe we can go. No, the problem that is, I don't know how I can be able to cross here. This person was walking. I hope he is not going to do anything to me. There's somebody filming. As I told you, this you can see how people walk. How people enjoy the place. I have come to the end. I have come to join the bridge once again. I've come to join the bridge once again. These are the fruits. I've come to join the bridge once again. Once again. People are playing. What are they playing? Basketball. They are playing basketball.